Hello there! It is a sunny Saturday afternoon in Hyde Park and it is quite windy. So if the voice is a bit subdued, apologies for that. I am using a wired mic on my Bose Quiet Comfort headphones, and this is my hands-on review of the Bose frames tempo, and that is not the Bose frames. The Bose frames are in the case, and I just want to talk to you about what it is replacing, which is just this cheap wraparound sunglasses that I bought on Amazon. It is not branded by any means, but I just want to give you a comparison to what I'm replacing. Now these are not too bad. I've bought a well, if what bad means, yeah. See, that broke almost immediately when I got them. Well, you get what you pay for less than 15 quid, but it has its advantages, which I'm now just going to compare them. You'll be able to see. Oh gosh, that's not the wind. Oh, never record in a windy park, I tell you that much. So you can see that these glasses are curved, much like the Bose, and I'll just take out the Bose now. So there you have it, the Quiet Comfort. I just wish that they could have built this with the in-case charging. But here's a comparison. These are the headphones. These are the Bose frames tempo, and these are a cheap wraparound sunglasses. This is 30 grams. Okay, 30 grams, and these are 57 grams. You definitely can feel them when you put them on. They're not too uncomfortable, but you can definitely feel them. Now, the disadvantage between that and that is if you have a smaller head, they won't go all the way back to you. I'll show you in a video at some point of the fit, but because of this stem here, which will hit your ear at some point, it will not be able to go into your ear to all the way back for a comfortable seal. So with these sunglasses, you can see it has this rubber grip that will push all the way in, and it will pretty much prevent any light from leaking in if it's sat snug against your forehead. Now with the Bose, you have no chance of that, not only because it does not have that rubber grip, it also has this weird gap over here to presumably, if you have a high ridge nose, it will help. But if you don't have a high ridge nose, there will always be a gap there, and there will be a significant light leakage through the sunglasses, which is sort of annoying if it doesn't fit your head just right. So I guess my main take home from this is that do try these on and order them directly from Bose, because they have a 90-day trial period. If you don't like them, you can send them back and get a full refund for it. Now, I know some of you might not be too keen on doing that, but really that is, if you have not learned anything from the video here today, the best advice is to try them on and order them and have them delivered and try them on. That is the only way you'll find out whether these sunglasses are for you, because they might not fit your head and there'll be certain issues. You might not like the rest on the nose. For instance, I'm using the number 3 grip because I found that they fit my nose the best. It could be longer, I hope, but these are the best ones. They are the largest ones. There is an app, the app on the Bose will show you how to put them on and take it off. It's not as easy as it seems. Let me just see whether I can show you whether you can take them off. You lift them up like oh, oh, you lift them up. Oh dear. And you, yeah, as you can pull down, and oh, yeah, they fit on pretty well. Okay. Oh, not getting very well with it. Pull down. There we go. And here we go. There is that. And to flip them back on again. And just push it in. There we go. It's a very tight fit, so you don't have to worry about them falling off. So this is the number 3. And they fit rather well. They'll sit on your nose. You definitely, because you would think that between regular sunglasses, which is about 30 grams, and this at being around 57 grams, it wouldn't be too heavy, but you can sort of feel it on your nose, and I'll let you all know whether it's a bit too uncomfortable. But initially, after going for a walk, I'm not sure about jogging, but after going for a walk, you sort of feel it sitting on your nose. Now it may, depending on the shape of your nose, you may find it sliding off, but I found that it sits on my nose fine. It doesn't slip off. I don't feel like I have to push it back at all. But I will do an audio test for you guys, and you'll see what it sounds like in the wind as we go walking by.